Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by preparing the Excel file and confirming permissions. First, make sure you have admin or accountant access so import functions are enabled. Next, clean the sheet. Remove formulas, keep headers on row 1, and standardize dates to YIMMDD so Zoho recognizes them. Once done, save as XLSX. Now open Zoho Books, go to the module Customers, Invoices, Items, and choose Import. This gets you directly into mapping, which is the crucial next step. Now you map columns. This is where accuracy matters. In the Import wizard, match each Excel header to the corresponding Zoho Books field and create custom fields only when necessary so data aligns. Before importing everything, perform a sample import of 10 to 50 rows to catch formatting and validation errors. If duplicate detection is required, choose a unique identifier like customer email or item code and set your duplicate handling rule. Doing this prevents messy Complete the import by running the full job and then review the summary report. It shows created, updated, and failed rows so you know what changed. If errors appear, export the error log, correct the specific rows in Excel, and re-import only those failed rows or use update mode if updating existing records. Finally, verify ledgers, invoice numbering, and a few sample customer balances to confirm accuracy. And if something still looks off, revert using your backup and adjust mappings before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.